In this video, I'm going to explain question set 29. There are 5 questions. The first question is find the all marks obtained by the students in all the subjects in the first term to the integer. So they want marks values as integer values, but this marks data type is double. So to convert a data type to a different data type or to another data type, we can use this cast function. So select cast mark as unsigned integer. So this will give marks as integer, and this unsigned means it will accept non-negative numbers. It doesn't accept negative numbers. So select cast mark as assigned integer from student exam mark record inner join exam term table on student exam mark record dot exam term id equals exam term table dot term id, where term name is equals first term. So these are the values, and we got these values as integers. The next question is find the average 2 decimal places in the marks obtained by the students for the first term mathematics subject. So we can use this round function. We using this round function, we can give the number of decimal places we need. So round and average mark, and in here we have to give the number of decimal places we want. So 2, the question asks 2 decimal places, so 2 from student exam mark record inner join exam term on student exam mark record dot exam term id equals exam table term id, and inner join subject table on student exam mark record dot subject id equals subject table subject id, where term name is first term and subject name is mathematics. So this is the answer, and we got it in 2 decimal places. So the third question is what is the lowest mark obtained for science subject in all term examinations of all students in class A. So for this, select, we need low, so min will give us the lowest value, minimum value from student exam mark record inner join subject on student exam mark record dot subject id equals subject dot subject id, student exam mark record dot subject id equals to subject table of subject id, where subject name is science subject, and also we need the class as well. So to do that, we have to get the student table. To get the student table, we need to get the class table, we need the student table. So inner join here, another inner join, student on student exam mark record, inner join, student exam mark record dot student index number equals to student table index number. Now we can get the class table. Suppose class on student table class id equals to class dot class id, and here we can now give the class name. It is 11A. So the answer is 23.5. The next question is, find the average of the marks obtained in Amanda Moses second term examination. Second term mathematics, science and Sinhala language and literature. So we have to find the average. So to get the average, select mark from student exam mark record table, inner join. We need the student table on student exam mark record dot student index number equals student dot index number, inner join. We need the subject table on check student exam mark record dot subject id equals to subject dot subject id table, inner join. We need the exam term table as well on where term name is second term, first name is Amanda and last name is Moses, and we need to get all the subjects. So subject name in mathematics, science, in here comma, science and Sinhala language and literature. Answer is 88.626667. So the reason I did like this, because we had to get these three subjects are in the same column. So to get values in the same column, we have to use this. We have to write it like this. Otherwise, we won't get the right results. The last question, the fifth one, find the average two decimal places in the marks obtained by the students, the class 11A in the second term for subject. So we have to give two decimal places. So to give two decimal places, we can use the round function, and to get the average, we can use the average function. Average mark, give two decimal places from student exam mark record table, inner join, student on student exam mark record dot student index number equals student dot index number. Inner join class table on student dot class id, student table class id equals to class table class id. Inner join exam term on student exam mark record dot exam term id is equals to exam term id, where term name is second term class 11 name, second term, and class name is 11A. So this is the answer for the last question. This is all for this question set. Thank you for watching.